So the first step is to simply go to your settings, and then what we're gonna have to do next is simply scroll down until we find Wallet and Apple Pay. And then what we're gonna have to do is simply tap on Add Card. Now, once we get here, what we're gonna have to do is simply tap on Debit or Credit Card. And from here, we're gonna have to simply scroll down at the bottom and simply tap on Add a different card. Now, we're gonna have to simply tap on Continue. And here, we're gonna have to tap on Enter Card Details manually, and then we're gonna have to simply enter our information and simply tap on next, and basically that's all we have to do. Then we're gonna be able to use the card directly from our Apple Pay. So we're gonna be able to see the card here. And that's it for today's video. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.